What up, man? I play Santa Claus during Christmas time so they can sit on my lap, 22? What up, man? You Gooch Hunt 69?
Yep.
Hey, you grandmother basement, I hate her? What up, man? You I love pork chops, but I'm a vegan? You black from the waist down 99?
Yep. Black Mamba 89?
Yeah, yo, the product is here.
All right, thank you very much.
Whoa, Kimosabi? No money, no deal.
All right, thank you very much.
Whoa, man, calm your constipated ass down. Hold on. The mask came off, hold on. What up, man? I'm not a pedophile no more, 22? I'm safe around kids, 19? What up, man? I didn't do it by that school?
Okay, yeah, I know, and I understand, but it's with my friend, so, and I... Please, completely understand.
Yo. Your hands stink. Did you wash the motherfuckers? They stink. Let's say wash your hands, man. Back up the dirty ass hands, man.
It's just the sun lotion, you know.
Sun lotion?
Yeah.
What type of fugazi shit is that, man?
No, again.
I fell in love with my stepmother 3 days ago, 22? Are you my pastor never touched me, 44? Are you little kids sit on? Oh no, I got one better. Come on, right. What up, man? You black from the waist down but got cut from the basketball team?
Yeah, that's me. Anglo-Saxon 89?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, man, the product is here. Sector free, long lasting, smell good and all that.
All right, thanks, man.
Got the product right here, man. It's... Y'all keep looking at him, he dying laughing. Hold on. What up, man? I dropped out of college because I had a G-string, 88. What up, man? I'm Love Below, 79, 22 with 3 girls in the flag house, 5. What up, man? Are you my dad left when I was 5? You made me this way, 22? The fuck you get that from Bad Bunny and Beyond, bitches?
Oh, okay, it's from Target, but...
Target? Who shop at Target? You rich? How much money you got on you, motherfucker? Huh?
I don't feel comfortable saying that.
Come on, man. You making it hot? Where the money at, man?
All right, look, what if we play a little game while we wait?
Game?
Oh, all right, thank you very much, man.
Whoa, calm your constipated ass down, nigga. Where the money at?
He's gonna be coming and he's got the money, so if y'all can just...
no money, no deal, motherfucker, back up.
No, I get it.
No money, no deal, back the fuck up, man.
Okay, we're just talking in circles here. Let's just wait for a little bit. Let's cool down.
Hey, I ain't got time, bro. The feds on me. This shit hot.
All right.
I don't play no motherfucker games. I'm a thug, nigga.
Okay.
I kill for this shit. I die for this toilet paper. Fuck with me.
Okay.
End up in the woods over there, motherfucker.
I think it's better if we just wait.
What?
I'm just gonna wait for a little bit.
Thug life's matter too, motherfucker. Back up. You big balls, little drawers, 22? You out live with your grandmother, 22 in the basement? What up, man? I was in the Boy Scouts and he did not touch me, 44?